back to the video. Today we are going to turn this to this.
Okay, so the shower curtain came and I love it so much. It matches my couch and I think it's adorable. So what I did is I ironed it to get all the creases out, and then I folded it in half and I ironed down a seam. And then I put a board down and I took the rotary tool and we're just gonna, right along that seam, we're gonna just cut it in half. And then when we cut it in half, we're gonna iron each piece again, okay? Now we're going to iron again. Okay, so the shower curtain has been ironed, and then we used this rotary tool, and then we put down hardboard under there, and we cut it in half. We re-ironed it because we don't want to have any wrinkles. You're going to want a rolly. That's not what it's called. I'll post a link to this. I got this on Amazon, super cheap. And then you're going to want to build a flatten it. Okay, cheap brush because you're going to want to toss this. If you're not going to use the Mod Podge medium, we're going to make our own medium using household Elmer school glue. So it's going to be half school glue, half water. We're going to mix it together, and that's going to be our medium. Okay, so we're ready to put it on. It is nice and thick. So we're going to work in sections. We've got our piece ready to go up. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to get it cornered up here. So we're going to do small sections. We're going to put the glue on in sections and then start putting the shower curtain as we go down. Okay, so we're done. My husband is just going back over everything to get any bubbles out. This would, yes, be easier if you did this prior to putting your craft cabinet together. However, that's not what the luxury we had. We had to wait for the shower curtain to arrive, which took until yesterday. So we ordered it on Amazon and I love it. It's really pretty. So after we're done getting it all done here, we're gonna go match the color of my couch and we're gonna put a trim around it. So stay tuned. So we have the shower curtain on. I liked this shower curtain, so I didn't have the option to go with a longer one. You can order them longer, which you might need because mine left a little gap. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom. So we decided that we would put a border around it because I thought that would look really nice. And I actually really liked the wood, so all we did is sealed it up.
So all I did is I took the scrap pieces and I ran them through my table saw down to 2 inches wide. And then once I did that, as I measured across the bottom here at the bottom piece and the bottom piece edge to edge, and it gave me what I'm going to call a long to long measurement, and I cut it at 45. Now the other option is there's trims you can buy or whatever you want to do. Also, this is thin enough that you might be able to take like a utility knife and a speed square and just put it on there and then run your utility knife down the edge and score it and be able to snap it, and then take some sandpaper and clean it up. You can try that if you want, and then all you got to do is you come down here, you line up your edges, and then nail it on, and make sure you nail into the side pieces, the bottom piece, and then at the top piece. Okay, for the handles, all I did is I took the same size drill bit that I used for the holes for the hardware, and I ran it back through the same holes on the back side. Just clean the glue out of those 2 holes, and then to poke a hole through. Obviously, you can either do it before or after the trim. If you don't do trim, then just do it after you do that, and that's it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more. Thanks. Peace out.